Hello everyone and welcome to our Twice Your Sheep YouTube channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Katie and I am the social media coordinator here. So I get to make fun videos and chat with you all and help you get all of our pretty tools into your hands. So today I am really excited because we get to unbox the whole spring surprise box. So this year we launched our surprise boxes, which is a subscription club, and it comes every 3 months. We have a March box, a June box, and a September box, and then our Advent is at the end of the year, but that's separate. So, because we heard from so many of you that you love your Advent, but you would like to be spoiled throughout the year also. So, let's see how we spoiled you this time. So, the first thing I'm going to show you is the new Trinity bag. So the Trinity bag is a style that we have had before. We had the sheep bag in the shop, and one was in the Mother's Day box. And I'll tell you a little story. So before I started working with Twice Your Sheep, and before I even heard of Twice Your Sheep, the Mother's Day box had one of these bags, and I have been so jealous that I didn't have one of these Mother's Day bags and I couldn't get one. So now I get a Trinity bag and I'm so excited. And I can't wait to show them at midnight. So this is the Trinity bag. It holds 2 to 3 skeins and it's just the perfect small project bag. So this one has birds on it. Goes with our spring flutter of wings theme. So then I will show you the thing that matches the project bag is our yarn. This time it is from Speckled Finch Studios and it is the colorway Poppies. This is a repeatable colorway and it is available in their shop. So if you need more or if you want to check it out, you can find it there. This is the cushy merino base. It's fingering weight, 100 grams, 493 yards. And look at this, it matches the project bag and it fits in there too. It can just disappear. So that is our yarn. And then we have a honeycomb bee theme shawl pin. So if you want to hold your shawl in place, you just slip your honeycomb on top and the post right through it, and then you can keep your shawl in place. So that is another thing. These are really fun. So these are butterfly buttons. So we have 11 different styles of these. So it varied based on which box you got, and you just got a random one. For those of you who got the spring surprise box, in our Facebook group, we'll have a thread that you can trade them if you want a different kind of button. But these were really fun to see, and I loved all the colors together. They're really awesome. So next we have our row counter with a pink butterfly at the bottom. This is a medium size chain style row counter. Great for everything. I have mine on a old sweater whip right now, and I keep having to move the straight one. So now I have another one, and it's a butterfly, like my favorite one. So I'm excited to have another one of those. Then we have our bird infinity markers, also in a size medium. I'm so excited to get these on my needles. So if you haven't seen infinity markers before, they have a little teardrop shape, so your needle just slips right into the bottom. And I did not think that that would make as much of a difference as it does, and it makes a huge difference. So I can't wait to get these on my needles and give them a try. And then we have our clip markers. We have a super fun spring flower and a bunny. So my favorite use for clip markers is to use them to track my daily or weekly progress. So I just put one where I start, and then I can put one where I end, or I can just see the progress. So usually I have one going for daily and one going for weekly. So these will be perfect for that, and they just clip right onto your work. They can work for knitting or crochet. They can clip your row counter to your work. There are tons of uses for clip markers. And then we got some new scissors. These are peacock scissors, and they are exclusive to the spring box. We do have some cat markers and the or cat scissors and rainbow scissors in the shop, but the peacock ones are exclusive to the box, and they have wings also. So that is really exciting. And then the early bird full payment plan also got a hummingbird tin. This is a brand new design. I'm so excited about this, and I can't wait to fill it up with all the things. So that is our spring surprise box, and look, it fits all into my bag. How cool is this? Let's see if I can get it so you can see it. All in there. It all just fits right inside. Perfect. So, if you see something you like, then we have a lot of similar things in the shop. We don't have all of them. There are a lot of exclusive things in the box, but like we have medium row counters and other charms, and we have different kinds of scissors and that sort of thing. Also, if you have your eye on a box, you can add the spring surprise box to your wish list, and we will let you know when it is back in stock. And we have 2 more boxes coming this year, this summer box and the fall box, and then we'll have our advent in December, but that is separate. And yeah, so make sure that you are on our email list, that you are subscribed to our YouTube channel, and follow us on Instagram, and you won't miss a thing. I will talk to you later.